Hello everyone, welcome back to Amazing Tips for You. So in today's video, I'm going to share a homemade hair oils recipe which is great for faster hair growth. If you're in dire need of thicker, longer and shinier hair, then this video is definitely for you. This recipe uses very simple things right from your kitchen that are extremely effective in improving your hair growth. So let's get started. This homemade hair oil has such effective ingredients that it gives you the all-in-one need, which means almost every girl aspires for longer, thicker and of course shinier and straighter hair. And guess what? This homemade hair oil does satisfy all your needs to an alluring hair. This homemade hair oil even helps you get rid of dandruff problems and even lice and nits if you have. So before we move on, let me remind you, do make sure to subscribe to Amazing Tips for You and hit on the bell icon so that you get notified about all our new uploads. So here are the things that we need to make this hair oil. I have taken a handful of onions. Here I have taken small onions which are much more nutritious than the bigger ones. I have some grated carrot. I took one big carrot and grated it. You can take two if the carrot is too small. 7 amlas or the Indian gooseberries. I have de-seeded and chopped them ready to be used. A handful of curry leaves, and then comes our most important ingredient of this recipe, which is the black seed. I am taking 2 teaspoons of these black seeds. They are called as kalonji in Hindi and Urdu and called as habbatus sauda in Arabic. Please don't ask me if we can skip black seeds or substitute black seeds with something else. The answer is a big no, as these black seeds play a vital role in hair growth and even reversing grey hair. Now I have these things blended well, as blending makes the nutrition to get infused well into the oil. In a heavy bottomed pan, I am pouring in 500 ml of coconut oil. Why coconut oil? Because it is the richest natural source of medium chain fatty acids, a special type of fatty acids with antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that are very nourishing to the scalp. Once the oil is hot enough, I am going to add in the blended mixture. Not everyone has the luxury of time and energy for a visit to the salon and even doing a hair spa treatment at home or washing your hair after leaving effective hair masks on your hair for hours together. One of the most effective things that can help with hair growth is onions. This homemade hair oil has onions in it, so it's definite that it is going to keep your hair loss at bay. Onions are very good at hair follicles nourishment and help restore lost nutrients to your scalp. They are rich in sulfur, which is known to minimize hair breakage and hair thinning. They have potent antibacterial properties and help fight infections of the scalp. This in turn helps reduce hair fall, as scalp infections can cause massive hair loss, and they are naturally potent antioxidants, which is why they help reverse the effects of premature graying. Do you know that carrots are a powerhouse of nutrients? Yes, apart from their delicious flavor, carrots are widely known to improve hair thickness and promote hair growth. Carrots are effective in combating hair loss, as they offer vital vitamins to your hair, making it thicker, shinier, longer and stronger. The medicinal value of curry leaves have been known to people since centuries. Mainly used as an ingredient in food, they have also found themselves as an important part in hair care oils. They prevent the hair strands from thinning by strengthening the hair follicles. Amla or the Indian gooseberries are a rich source of antioxidants and rich nutrients required to enhance hair growth and texture. Kalonji seeds or the black seeds are also known as Nigella sativa or black cumin. They have umpteen number of benefits. Black seeds help to deal with hair loss and hair graying problems in both men and women. Apart from this, it also helps to keep your scalp cool and itch-free all the time. Once the mixture changes color, filter the oil and store it in an airtight container. Remember, the container must be completely dry without moisture, or else your oil might turn cloudy or may not become suitable for hair. Pour it in a dry, airtight container and add the oil from 2 vitamin E capsules and a few drops of lavender essential oil. Trust me, this is one of the best homemade hair oils that you'll ever find on the internet. With regular usage, you'll start noticing a huge difference in your hair growth and texture. Do try it out and come back to drop in your feedback in the comment section below. Like this video? Then why not give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video as well. Take care. Bye bye.